The answer to this question depends on how we define sound. If we define sound as a physical phenomenon produced by vibrations that propagate through a medium such as air, then the falling tree would indeed produce sound waves, regardless of whether or not there is anyone around to hear them. However, if we define sound as a perception or experience of hearing that occurs within a conscious mind, then the falling tree would not produce sound if no one is around to hear it. In this case, sound is not a property of the physical world, but rather a subjective experience that depends on the presence of a perceiver. Ultimately, the answer to this question depends on how we choose to define the term sound.